This accident will happen last Monday, that is 9 days ago. One old man, two married women, one married man and two children lose their life on that very day. And almost 280 houses have been destroyed totally. Some like 100 houses do not get where to sleep safe. They are roaming about, hanging off their neighbor houses. Yes, we have about 30 people in the hospital right now. Some they don't discharge them for hospital. They don't come back to their house, start taking medication. Not any intervention from government or non-governmental organization or any other organization like this. Not any intervention, nothing. We want government, particularly the federal government or state government, to intervene on this accident happen to us. Even they cannot build our house, they have to come and do what they're supposed to do. We have about 3 mosques, they don't collapse, and 1 church, and 1 hospital, 1 school, 1 primary school. It's an Albayan Nursery Primary and Secondary School.
Resignation is not a crime. It is provided for in the laws. We are asking the president to resign if he knows they cannot do the permanent function of government, which is to provide security and the welfare of the people. We are saying that Nigerians are disappointed in the leadership of this country. For crying out loud, people are dying in Benue. Nothing has been done. No arrests have been made. We are saying Nigeria deserves a better leadership. We voted for democracy, not for civil rule. This is Nigeria. This is not Tinubu and Sons Nigeria Limited. We deserve a better government. I am declaring a vote of no confidence on the Tinubu APC-led government. We are saying enough is enough. Nigeria deserves a better life. Thank you.
When people